Hello students, welcome to my channel Python Kibhasa. In previous video we have learned about text file, binary file and CSV file. Today we will learn more about the binary file searching, updating and how to read and write the multiple records. First we will see how to read and write the multiple records. You see that how to read and write the multiple records in the employee.dat file. I am taking an employee.dat file to read and write the data. Already you know that first you have to import the pickle module. I am importing the pickle module, then I am writing a function because in 12th classes the CBSE question not writing a program, you have to write the definitions, you have to write the functions. That's why I am writing a function to do the programs. I am taking a programs that write intro functions. I am opening that employee.dat file. While true means what? I am inserting the multiple records that user can enter more records in employee.dat file. Inserting the records, if it is true, then he input yes to inserting the records. If it is no, then come out the loops. I am taking a variable that employee number, name, designation and salary. That is the fields of employee data. That you have employee number, I am inputting the employee number, inputting the name, designation and salaries in a list. I am taking employee number, name in uppercase, it display uppercase and designation it uppercase. That's why I am writing, I am taking a R of employee number, name dot uppercase, designation dot uppercase and salaries. Now your pickle dot dump means one record you read from the database or one record you write into the database. That is what input employee number, name, designation and salaries. Then more records you want to enter. If you press the yes, then you enter the next records. If you press no, then come out the loop. This is all about how to write the multiple datas in employee.dat. Now you come to the how to read the datas. Whatever the datas you entered in the employee.dat file, how to read the datas. So first you open that file, employee.dat file. Now you put the try and except block and a file error block. That is called what? It raises the errors. It comes to the end of file. It reads one by one records, and when it comes to the end of file, that it raises the errors. And if you are writing a message, print that end of file is reached. That message will be encountered. Then I am calling that functions write intro and read from functions. Now I am executing the program. I am written in the Python IDL. I run this program, press F5, run that program, asking that employee number, enter the employee number. Suppose I am putting 001 and name is, suppose I am putting Govind. That designation is a teacher. Salary is suppose 70,000. Now asking, do you want to add more records? Suppose you putting yes. Then again asking the employee number, suppose 002. Name is suppose Ram. Designation suppose clerk. Salary is suppose 40,000. Now again asking the more records. Now you press no. That record is displayed. That is what? One record in the list Govind teacher 70,000 rupees, and second record is to RAM, clerk, and 40,000 rupees. Clear about that? This about the how to write in binary file of multiple data stored in a list. Now how to search record by record in the employee.dat file. Now whenever you search the file, that you have to open that file and ask to the users which record you want to search. If the search is found, then display the records. If search is not found, then the message will be displayed record not found. I am writing a program. You see, I am defining a function that is a search functions. I am opening that file, employee.dat file, and asking that enter the employee number to be searched. Now I am searching that record using the employee number. So I am asking the user to enter the employee number to be searched. Found means what? Now found is an indication to us which tells the whether the record will be found or not. So we need to keep on searching for the record starting from the beginning of the file. The main thing is what? Beginning of the file. You have to search that file of beginning. That means 0th position of the records. Now you are asking that which record you want to, which employee number you want to search that, then found. Then I am putting that error handling, try and accept block. Then I am asking while true, जब तक मेरा records खत्म नहीं होता है बा searching possible नहीं होता है तब तक record is true and found is 0. Then now I am patch one record, r is equal to pickle.load functions, one record is patching, that I am sending r of 0 location. 0 location means what? You have a employee number is in the 0 location of the list, name 1 location of the list, designation 2 location of the list, salary 3 index of the list. Now you are searching according to the employee number, that r is a list, that r of 0 index is a employee number is equal to you are inputting a employee number is matching, then print, that is a found the records, and printing one record. If not found, then again go to the second record, found is equal to found plus 1, then again repeat that the whole statement. If that record is found, then the record is printed. If the record is not found, the accept end of file error handling raise a message that it is end of file, you are not getting any records, then it will print it, you are printing a message record not found, then it close that files. This is all about the searching. Now you execute the programs. Now you see, I am compiling this program. Press it F5. Now I am putting enter the employee number, asking 001, enter the employee name, Susmita, enter the designation clerk, enter the salary 30,000. Again asking, do you want to add more records? I am entering the second record, enter the employee's number 002, enter the employee's name Ansuman, enter the designations director, enter the salary 90,000. Again asking, do you want to more records? I am entering the records, third records, the name of the employee is Amritansi, enter the designations doctor, enter the salary 1 lakh. Again asking, do you want to more records? I am pressing no, then the record is displayed, that is written in employee.dat file. Now you want to search which record you want to search according to the employee number. Enter the employee number to be searched. That is, I am putting the three record is Amritansi. Now it is found. That record is displayed. 3 records Amritansi, doctor, 1 lakh rupees. Clear about that? Now how to update the records. We are discussing how to read and write. Now how to search that file. Now how you update that files. Updating means what? Updating means the existing records now you want to update. Any records by any field you want to update the records. Means which employee number you want to update and which field you want to update, you have to input that files. Now I am writing a functions, that definitions of def update functions. I am opening that file employee.dat file and asking that enter the employee's number to update it. Then found means if not found, the found is encountered, and I am taking a position equal to 0. You have to go to the particular positions and modify the records into that file. I am putting the try and except end of file errors because the error encountered if the record not found. Then while true and found equal to 0. जब तक हमारा found नहीं होता है तब तक the record is continuing. Then R is equal to pickle.load functions. One record is patching. The first record is patching and checking that R of 0 index is equal to A. The employee number in 0 index is equal to A. Now you see that f.seek is a function, that is a random function, directly go to that positions of the record. The seek functions, you have a two parameter, that is first parameter is how many bytes you want to write and second parameter is which position you want to go. Suppose whenever I am writing that employee.dat file, I am inputting 3 records. Means the cursor is pointing to the 4th records. Now suppose you want to search the record, but go to the record first, that you have to use that seek function, directly go to that particular locations that random function is available in file handling. So f.seek functions to set the positions to that file. Now suppose you want to modify the salary. Salary is equal to float input, enter the modify salary 1. Suppose you want to modify the salary of that particular employee. Now salary, which index is that? R of 3 index. Now R of 3 index equal to salary means that salary changes to that index. Now you dumping that values, changing that value to the database. If the first record is continuing, if that is not that particular records, that found is equal to found plus 1, then if you want to, which record you want to modify, the tell functions to find the positions which record you are modifying the value that can be encountered. If that records not found, the except end of file error raises the errors that it will display. I am writing a errors, that is a record not found, it will raise the errors. Now I am executing that programs. You see, press it F5 in Python, that you are asking that enter the employee number. I am putting 001, employee name. Already these data are available. I am writing one program, I am written a read and write functions are calling that enter the salary 80,000 rupees. Do you want to more records? I am putting the 3 records. 3 records. Now display the 1, 2, 3 records. The end of file reach, that employee number to be updated. Now suppose I am putting 2 records, 2. That enter the modified salary you want, that before the salary is 1,000 rupees, second record 1 lakhs rupees, that you have to change 1,10,000. You see that my output, you see the second record, you see that first is written as Amritanshi, that is a 90,000. The value is changed to 1,10,000 rupees. Now the record or the field is updated in a files. So now in this video you learn about how to read and write in the binary files, how to search the binary files, and how to update in the binary files. thank you, and let's you like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.